I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your Rebecca Mahila Miller, aka Becca. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Boom. Keep on watching this video. So what I'm about to do is to actually use the scissors and cut my hair in a bob length, and then after which I will put an elastic band on the ends, yeah, so that the hair doesn't pull out easily, and cut the ends in order to get a little neatness towards the hairstyle. And I think, yeah, do my edges and add some elastic bands on the roots, and I think that's it. But basically, you know, this is me recreating my box braids, medium style box braids, because I am so devastated about the hair length. I mean, the time is hot. It is really hot right now in Jamaica, and this hair is getting the best of me, so I had to cut it. I mean, like, yeah, I had to. So yeah, watch me change my hairstyle from long to short. Watch me recreate this style. Everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Oh yeah. So the reason why I put 3 fingers up is because I am going to use 3 rubber bands to put at the end of my hair, so that the hair does not pull out easily. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase this. So I am basically through with placing the elastic band on the end of my hair. So what I'm doing right now is to clip the extra ends on the hair, because it looks a bit tacky when it has a lot of loose hair at the end, but it looks more neater when it is cut to an extent. So right here I was about to try a little thing, but it actually didn't work out. I was gonna use a colored elastic to style the hair, but I came to the realization that using the colored elastic to style the hair will only work with black box braids, because this color is already light, along with the color of the elastic is already light as well, so it doesn't really make sense for 2 light things to be at the same place. So if it was a dark color like the black box braid, then it will be distinct, but it didn't make a difference for me, so I just did one, and yeah, it didn't work out. I will use them again though when I do my hair in black or another dark color. So I must say this edge control, it smells really good. Yes, it's upside it down and still can't see it same way, but it is an edge control. It smells really good, and I think I'm not sure if it worked for my hair, but I actually did this video in the night. As you can see in my background, my window outside is dark, so I don't really know if it actually kept me for a long time, but I just bought the edge control, and yeah, I'm just trying it. So yeah, so I am not always good with doing edges. I mean, I try, but I don't think it worked out this time, but it doesn't matter because the majority of my edges was not really showing. The braid was actually covering it. So yes, I think I am through. I mean, it's not that neat and fine. It's my first time trying this, honestly, and I'm proud of myself for doing this. It's not that neat and fine. I mean, the back needs to be cut some more. The back is a little bit too tall, and the ends still need to be clipped up. But I got tired and I needed to go to sleep, so I just leave it at that. And I mean, it looks good. It's not that neat and fine, but it does look good. Yeah, it needs some touch up, but I will. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye, guys. Love y'all.